Hello guys, welcome once again to another episode of how to make passive income through the internet. Today I want to really talk about how we can make a live transaction from my Express Crypto wallet to my mining.cc cloud mining company wallet. So I wanted to tell you guys that whatever I'm going to show you here are all legit, okay? This is not a get rich quick scheme, but this is a reliable and legitimate way of making little or passive income through the internet without having physical contact with any other persons. We all know that 2020 has been a crazy year for everyone, and it has been so difficult for everybody in the business realm and those who are doing traditional businesses. Now things are changing. I believe from next year, 2021, is going to be more different. Everything has now becoming things are changing and moving into the internet way of things. So if you are scared of making use of the internet, buying stuffs through the internet, paying making payment through the internet, or doing transactions through the internet, my friend, I'll tell you today, you better change that mindset, that concept, because by 2021 there will be more of transaction going into the internet without having physical contact because of the what the coronavirus have shown us in this year 2020. So before I move forward to show you or explain what I'm going to do today on this video, I want you all to know that I have noticed that a lot of people are watching my videos and a lot of people are not subscribed to my YouTube channel or my Instagram page. So I'm using this opportunity to tell you guys, if you want to know more of my ways, more of the ways that I use in making passive income through the internet, you have to click on the follow button, click on the like button, share my videos so we can all together move forward and make quality money for our future. So, and again, I want to also say that if you are new into cryptocurrency or you don't have an idea about cryptocurrency, you only heard about it but you don't believe, my friend, I want to tell you today that cryptocurrency is here to stay. So, if you don't believe it, it is a funny way of saying you are behind schedule. So, if you don't want to be behind schedule, please try as much as possible to register, or let me show you how you can register. Let me show you how you can register. Okay, so please, I'm going to show you what is cryptocurrency. What is it? Cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is what we call freedom. That the poor will become rich, and there will not be that long this gap between the rich and the poor. So cryptocurrency is giving everybody the possibility and to be wealthy, giving everybody the possibility to change the financial situation. That is what cryptocurrency has come to say. And in fact, at this present time, you can make cryptocurrency by just playing games. In my previous video I showed it. You can get free cryptocurrency like what I said here in my dashboard. You can see you can get free crypto. All these are cryptocurrencies that I got for free. You can get Bitcoin. You can get Bitcoin Cash. You can get for free Bitcoin, Cardano, Dashcoin, Gigabyte, Dogecoin, Ethereum Classic, S Gold. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of cryptocurrency that you can get for free. I believe in the old traditional cryptocurrency, so I'm always focused on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and what will I say? Dogecoin. Those are the cryptocurrency that I value most. That I believe will have a long lifespan in the business of cryptocurrency. So these are all examples of cryptocurrencies. You can see them. They are all digital currencies that you can transfer to anybody at any time without having physical contact with those people, and your money will be transferred straight away, and you can exchange this cryptocurrency to fiat currency, to dollar, to pounds, to euros, to ruble, to yen, to whatever currency you think you're using in your country. So if you are still not having cryptocurrency, I think you better get one, because recently the price of Bitcoin surges to $23,000. You can imagine what that means. So those who have cryptocurrency like Bitcoin are already wealthy. They are rich. They are stinking rich, my friends, if I tell you. So let's move straight to the video of today. Now, before you can be able to get this free cryptocurrency, you need to have what we call the Express Crypto Wallet. This Express Crypto Wallet gives you the possibilities to earn and to get free cryptocurrency. You can see what I'm having here. My estimated value of my wallet is now 40 cents. So I just want to do some transactions so you can see that what we are doing here is real and not fake. There are people who are making more than this, but the little time I spent in getting free from the free faucets, I want to transfer it so you can see that yes, we are live on stage, that this is real and this is no fake. Now I want to show you an exchange. In this cryptocurrency wallet, you still have an opportunity to exchange. You can exchange your currency. Now for example, you can exchange let's say Dogecoin. Now you can see the amount of Dogecoin that I have to I want to exchange it to Litecoin if possible. Okay, so this is what, if I will exchange it, this is what I'm going to be exchanging. Okay, this is what I'm going to be exchanging if I'm exchanging it. Okay, but they said the minimum of a sell order should be equal to 500 Satoshi, at least 500 Satoshi. So you have the opportunity on this wallet to exchange, to chat, also to see your withdraw, the offers. Also there are different offers that they give you some free cryptocurrency. But today I want to make a withdrawal. Before you can make a withdrawal on this, you need to place in your address, your cryptocurrency address. Okay, now I'm going to be withdrawing from my let's say from my, okay, my Litecoin account. So I click on the balance. Let's see what we have here. Now you can see my total, what I have here is 0.00330, which is already 330,992 Litecoin Satoshi. I already activated my address, but before you can activate your address, okay, before you can before you can withdraw from this wallet, you need to ensure that you have already placed in your Litecoin address. Now this Litecoin address gives you the opportunity to transfer your money into that account. Now what I'm doing here is that I already have what will I call it? I already have my Litecoin address linked to this account, so that I will be able to withdraw to that account. And again, when immediately you link into the account, you have to wait for 24 hours before you can withdraw. So let's place the amount of money we want to withdraw. They said a minimum of, okay, they're taking our 100,000 Litecoin Satoshi. Okay, no problem. Let's say we're having I'm withdrawing all 320,992. Okay, wait. Okay, I'm supposed to bring in here 3 and drop here 230,000. Yes, that's what I'm supposed to do. Next, express payment in what? Express withdrawal next payment. I don't know. I'm not taking any express. I'm taking the regular payment. Pay fees with asset and save this, or that is regular withdrawal fees are fixed to. Okay, let me just submit a withdrawal. You cannot withdraw more than what you have. Okay, what do I have here that is not? Okay, let's see. Okay. I think I forgot to put the 230992. Okay, that's what I'm supposed to do. And submit withdrawal. Okay, let's see what we have here now. Yeah, withdrawal request submitted. A verification link has been sent to your email. Please confirm it in order to receive the payment. Okay, now we have submitted withdrawal. Unless you have 100,000 available to withdraw. Okay, let's go to my email address and see what we have there. Okay, let's see what we have there. You need to click on the verification link in order to withdraw. In order to withdraw from this. Okay, what am I having here? Let me check the spam folder to see if I have. No. I'm waiting. Where should it be? Okay. Yes, I'm still waiting for the verification link to be sent to me. Okay, so when clicking on the verification link, we are going to have our notification sent to us right away. I'm still waiting for the verification to be sent to me. It's a little bit slow. I don't think, maybe it's because of the internet. So after clicking on the verification link, I'll be showing you guys where and how it was deposited into my account. Okay, until then, I bid you guys farewell, and I hope to see you in the next video where I'll be showing you what I was deposited, what amount that was deposited into my account, because I already clicked on the deposition. Okay, so I'm waiting for the amount. So have a nice day, guys. Click on the follow button, like button. Don't fail to share this video. Love you guys.